Chinese New Year and Ramadan are happening right now, and I want to share some thoughts. Chinese New Year isn't something I grew up knowing about. Living here in Asia is unavoidable. So over time, it's taught me how powerful it is to pause, reset, honor family, and step into a new season with real intention. There's something grounded about watching an entire community move with purpose, reflection, and hope. It makes you take stock of your own life, even if you don't share the same background. Some things are just universal across the human experience. Ramadan is different. I didn't learn it from travel or even the internet. I was aware of it because of my uncle, and I even practiced for a bit in my 20s and 30s. So when Ramadan comes around, it doesn't feel distant. It feels familiar. It feels reassuring. It reminds me of discipline, patience, gratitude, and humility, all happening in real time. Here's what I've realized though. These cultural rhythms and events have become part of my cultural identity as a traveler, an expat, and a person. Not in a way that replaces where I'm from or who I am, and not in a way that pretends these traditions are mine, but in a way that these things I grew up with shape me. These experiences I've experienced abroad have shaped me too. Soul food shaped me. Kwanzaa shaped me. Spankings when I got out of line shaped me. The way my family gathers, the way we speak, the way we survive, the way we celebrate, that's all in me. And now, so are these experiences and many other cultures from around the world I've been blessed to be a part of. These aren't just cultural moments on a calendar. They're living traditions that shape how people think, how people treat each other, and how people move through the world. And if you let them, they change you for the better. There's something that can be learned through all of this. We're living in a time when negativity and misinformation spreads fast, especially about cultures. People don't actually try to understand anymore. People will form these massively strong opinions from a clip, a headline, or some ignorant comment section, and then act like that's knowledge. It's not knowledge, it's ignorance. So I want to say this very clearly and publicly. I'm grateful for the opportunity to experience other cultures in a real way. I'm grateful for the people who've welcomed me, taught me, and shared things with me they never had to share. It's their culture, yet they open up to myself and many others. And if you're living somewhere that isn't home, I think this matters, and we have to be appreciative of these opportunities. So don't just consume the culture, respect it, learn it, celebrate it correctly. And when you're given the chance to be included, say thank you out loud. Now, if you excuse me, I need to go find something red to wear. I've got some lanterns to light. So leave the world better than you found it. I'll see you next time.